subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia has officially launched its new tablet globally called Nokia T20. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia T20 features a 10.4-inch 2K resolution display with up to 400 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top, it is protected by toughened glass. Under the hood, the tablet is powered by an octa-core Uni-SoC T610 chipset, paired with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Nokia T20 supports a single 8MP camera on the rear, including LED flash, and it has 5MP selfie camera under the top bezel. The device comes backed by a massive 8200 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support, but the user will get 10W charger inside the box. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box, which is claimed to provide 2 years of OS upgrades and 3 years of timely security updates. Additionally, the tablet comes with dual stereo speakers for better sound experience, and it also includes Google Kids Space feature. The connectivity option on the tab includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the tablet measures at 247.6 by 157.5 by 7.8mm, and it weighs around 470 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia T20 has been priced for the Wi-Fi variant at €199 for the base variant, and the Wi-Fi with 4G model is priced at €239. The tablet is said to be up for sale in some selected markets around the world in deep ocean color option. So what do you guys think of this Nokia T20 tablet? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.